See guys, every day I will make a video. See, yeah, my investment is around $50, and every day I do like this. So sometime we see the loss also, but loss is one time. Like that, out of four, 1:4, the ratio will be of the profit. One time loss and four time it will be profit. From $50, I make easily every day the $50 profit. So this is the thing. So now you can see that what is the market condition. So I will not show right now my trade. That is a really secret. But all trades are the positive. All trades are normally, see, you can see the quick look I can show you. All trades are positive like this. So, but that I will give you in the signal. So that's the thing. We get the profit every day. सो फॉलो मी, आप लोग फॉलो करें मुझे इंशाल्लाह। मैं बहुत जल्द जो है वो जूम के ऊपर स्क्रीन शेयर किया करूँगा, और जैसे जैसे मैं ट्रेड लगाऊंगा आप भी ट्रेड लगा सकते हैं साथ में। ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच।